Hello, Ken Bassard with NexaMortgage.com. Here speaking to my DC vacant property owners. Vacant properties cause the city harm, squatters, overgrown yards, water problems. I can help you fix that. We have a loan program, debt service coverage ratio program, that doesn't rely on your income or employment. It's not even on the application. We qualify you based on how much an appraiser says the home would rent for. If that checks out, the home rental covers the mortgage amount and everything else checks out, we can do the loan. Visit KennethBassard.com to get started or to get more information. The tips. As you may know, if your home is listed for sale or actively undergoing renovations, that huge property tax bill for vacant property status is reduced to normal property tax levels, which will save you thousands, as you well know. I have realtors interested in listing your vacant property if you're ready. If you're not ready, let's use some of that equity to fulfill your plans for the property. Ken Bassard, Nexa Mortgage.